The Poo Files.
Poo Files, open.
Poo Facts.
Birds. The more doo-doo these dudes drop on your roof, the more likely it'll cave in. Birdie butt truffles contain acid, which over time can corrode roofing materials and mess up the structural integrity of your house. Oh, selfish.
Fart facts.
Bobcats. There's nothing more they love than chowing down on a big feed of squirrel. Not because they taste good, but because they make their farts extra stinky. They do it on purpose. Bad kitty. Burning question.
Here's a question for the ages. Why is Poo brown? Place your bets.
Know your pee.
Cave rats. They live in extremely dark caves. How can they see where they're going then? They make super highways of urine all over the place so they can smell their way home. Creepy.
Burning question.
Why is poo brown? It contains stercobilin. Stercobilin is a chemical derived from hemoglobin and broken down red blood cells. Hemoglobin mixed with bile, the fluid from your intestines that breaks down fat, creates stercobilin. Bit of an anticlimax, really. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files, closed.